Combi Ergopack combines the functions of case erecting, packing, and sealing into a compact and cost-effective work cell. With our patented hands-free indexing system, your operators never touch a case. Ideal for food products that must be inspected before packing, packing products of variable sizes or irregular shapes where total automation is impractical, or applications where a case erector is not enough, but full automation cannot be justified. The Combi Ergopack provides an ergonomic solution to hand packing. The case erector opens and presents the case. The operator drags and drops the product into the case from the integrated product conveyor. The filled case is then automatically indexed through the top and bottom case sealer. The entire packaging process is accomplished in an ergonomic manner, greatly reducing the threat of repetitive stress injuries, minimizing product damage, and corrugated and tape waste. While increasing your productivity up to 30% over manual hand packing, the Ergopack typically yields a 6 to 12 month payback. Fully customized and available in stainless steel components for washdown environments, our hand pack stations feature the built-in strength, ease of maintenance, and increased productivity you can expect from all Combi equipment.